Woolly. Woolly and the Waterfall. When you take a small walk right outside Woolly's house, and on days which are quiet and there's no one around, if you put your hand close to one of your ears, there's a very special sound you can barely just hear. A sound that comes from far, far away. A sound that can be heard on a cold or hot day. It's a kind of a whoosh that's nice and calm. Whoosh. It's the sound that is made by a big waterfall. Here it is, a big blue waterfall just for me. Woolly looks around and is overcome with glee. It's a beautiful place to come and spend time, to play games, to sit, to watch the water flow by. Sammy and Woolly once went up to the peak to play. They saw lots of white foam, and in the foam they found shapes. Woolly saw a dove that turned into a butterfly. And Sammy saw a big bone that looked tasty and nice. They both saw many rows of ducks, and even though Sammy told Woolly he's seen too much, Woolly showed him lizards galore and a house with a chimney and a door. They both threw sticks into the water and tried to see whose stick would arrive faster. But the sticks disappeared in the current that was so strong, and they couldn't figure out to whom the sticks belonged. This beautiful river, it's really divine. Every time I visit, there's water inside. Even when there isn't a drop of rain at all, the river is full and gives life to the waterfall. One day, says Woolly to Sam with a grin, we'll go and find out where the falls begin. Perhaps there's a tap someone forgot to close. Perhaps there's a hole in the gardening hose. They say that a river grows out of a spring. They say when it's born, it's a very small thing. Not a river, just barely a stream, and then it grows bigger as it flows down the hill. But to Sammy the dog, the trip sounds far away. He yawns and he laughs. Perhaps someday. They each take a stick and they go back to play. The sun's going down to their great dismay. And perhaps at night they can lay outside and listen together to the whoosh that they like.